So this is what I found. A D train by the F line. Yep. I'm recording. Are they coming? Are they coming? Apart. Wait, hold up. Yeah, hold up. Step in the train. Step in the train. Go.
D train, next stop, Avenue U. Stand clear.
Yo. Yeah, but this is so perfect. Yo, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
D train on F1.
Are they come? What's there? Are they come or not? Yo, wait, are they there? Yo, I'm so excited, bro.
They came.
Yo, I am so excited, bro. Nah, I can't. Yo, you can't. Doesn't open. This doesn't open. Yo. Thanks, Corey, bro. I can't. Yo, I'm so excited, bro. I can't handle myself. There's no way. Yo, I'm recording, yo, can you be my real friend? Post on YouTube.
No.
Oh, please. I need a real friend. Okay, this D train is on the F line. To be imagined, so we're just taking. This is my first time on the F line. The D train on the F line, yo. Nah, bro. I'm recording this crap. I'm recording. You see me like. That's me. Yo, the D train, yo. Yo, where's Damien? Yo, he's in the next car. Bro. Yo, come on, bro, please. Yo. Nah, but I can't handle myself, bro. This is my dream. Bro. I'll never forget this day. I'll never do. Yo, next car. Yo, the D train, the F line. Yo. Nah, bro, that's so sick. Nah, bro. Yo. Nah, bro, I'm even recording. So, I'm a real friend. Wanna be on video? I have a YouTube channel. I do real friends. Have a nice day, right? Nice person. Alright, this D train. I'm just gonna take a screenshot if I could. Yo, where my brother go? Yo, I'll never forget this day. I'll never. My friend's in the other car. My friend's in the other car. This is 2618. Last time the F train got delayed, now the D is running on the F line, now I'm recording. I can't believe I actually caught this. I'm gonna take it to Coney Island, then take back this train on the D. If it goes back. Because if it doesn't go back, then yo. Okay. I'm gonna make a speed one. Okay, go! Yo, I can't believe I actually caught this, bro. Wait, Damien, don't go, bro. It's gonna close early. Yo! Wait, hold on, I need to take a screenshot. Alright, ready. Is there a sign? Yep, it's okay. Alright. Wait, hold up. I'm posting this on YouTube. Yo, I can't believe I actually caught this for the first time.
I know, right? I thought we were gonna make it, but we didn't.
Yo, in 2017, I took the F on the D line. Going back to 2017, yo. We're the only person in this car, by the way.
I took the D. I took like the D and the F.
Yep, that's the F train. But this is the D train, yo. Yo, we don't have to take the F train anymore.
No.
I'm gonna see what happens when we get to Coney Island. I'm gonna try to take back this train to 25th Avenue. Yo, all the kids are in that car.
I know.
They're gonna come to the back anyways. At West 8, I'm gonna take a screenshot. If this train takes a break. This is a D train via the F line.
No, right?
It's Neptune.
I see Aiden and Matthew.
They're in the other car, everyone. The whole group is in the other car. Yo, the girls missed the weird stuff. The D train via the F line. Neptune.
Oh,
Yo, everyone's right there, yo.
Yo, they're the kids,
Yo,
bro.
I'm gonna go to the back. Yo, they better not scream.
Yeah, me too.
The F train's 4 minutes. Coney Island. Okay, go. Stand clear, closing doors. Stand clear, closing doors. This is. Bro. It's always, bro. This book bag. Don't talk. Don't film me. I got record all the way to Coney Island. I'm recording.
Hey! You open it. Open it. You want it. Open it.
No.
Excuse me? You know what day it is? The day?
What?
The
What's the
day?
day? What day is it? Like,
I don't know.
No, like the day, like 1/24. Is it the one?
check your phone.
I don't know. I'm recording. I can't.
Yeah.
You can open it. I'll take a picture.
Nah.
Yeah.
Bro, just open it. Just open it.
I'm not gonna open it.
You want me to open it for you?
It's the 23rd.
I told you. 23rd. Age just a number.
Yeah, yo.
I don't see Matthew and Aiden. They're not in this car. Yo, Matthew and Aiden are right there. The whole kids. You're on tape. Yo, they'll know I'm taping them. Nah, but I'm taping the whole kids. I'm gonna try to take back this near Coney Island. I'm gonna post it to 2 accounts. I'm gonna also post this to TikTok.
Yeah, by the way, don't record me.
Okay, this train's gonna take a break. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Go. It's an F train. It's an F train behind this one. It's at Neptune. This train's going to Coney Island. There's an F train. Trying to get to the queue. And this train better not take a break. You on tape. I'm taping you. Bye. a nice day. Just gonna take a break, right? I gotta take a photo. Alright. I took a shot. It's good. Yeah, I'm gonna take back this train to 25th Avenue to see if it goes back in service. I'm just gonna take the end. Wait, someone recording when we got here? Huh? When you got to the other car, was someone recording? No. Well, there's no wear fan? Well, it's just me recording. On the 68D train. So why y'all fighting? I'm taping this. I like it. I fucking love it. What's good? I'm recording. Dude, Aiden said he's gonna give me his phone number. He never did. Aiden Walker. There's an F train at Neptune. Yo, did y'all just hit the brakes?
Yo, I got that on camera.
You want to do another round for you?
My phone is down.
Wow. Okay.
Yo, me and him. Yo, y'all two?
What?
Y'all two?
You want to go against him?
No, I have to do welfare.
Huh?
I get paid.
For what?
Oh, you have to get paid to it?
It's weird.
Huh?
Never recorded, right?
Oh, you want to be a recorder?
I'm a welfare.
You're an OnlyFanner?
No, who's going super chill, right?
What?
Yeah, y'all know.
You're a
Bro.
real fanner?
Yo,
You do OnlyFans?
yo, these kids doesn't know who's Google Super Troll. I hate this door being locked. Alright, we back. F train has approached. It's been since 8 minutes. And the store closed? Alright, the train just came. Now can we leave the station, please? Police! Okay. Please. What? Are we waiting here for another train? No. Alright, back to zooming, right? This D train was on the F line. There's a delay at 25th Street. I'm gonna see what happens when we get to Coney Island. Yo, good thing we don't have to wait for an F train now. They're just playing a very nice game. Look at this. Very nice game. I love it. I love it. They're just playing. They're not actually fighting. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Come on, just make it. If there's another D on the other side. Window seat. Wait, Google Silvertoe was on this train? Yo, these people are trying to recreate the R179F train fight. Is this train gonna take out service? Yeah, everybody knows that. Please move the train, or is this train gonna take out service? Please move the train. Thank you. Please move. Thank you. I appreciate it. Is there a D train on the D track? No. No, there is. There's one. Is this train gonna take out souls? Oh, it's the speaker, but it's up, but I can't even reach. I can't reach the speaker. Let's see what happens. Well, I'm gonna stay on this train to see what happens. Is this train gonna go back on the F1?
Coney Island, Skimble Avenue, last stop on this train.
Is this gonna say last stop?
Yo, who's jacket? Yo, go.
This train's not gonna take out service. No, I'm gonna end it. Thank you.